My methods differ from most attorneys because, number one, I am told I'm terribly persevering. This helps induce pain with a debtor. Now, when it gets painful enough, the debtor will come to the table to get us out of their life. I'm always very careful to explain there's nothing personal about this work. It's just a matter of business and money. And if they'd rather do other things with their life, all they have to do is address this business problem. And we'll be flexible and work with them in doing so, so long as if they have something other than a cash settlement, they propose adequate collateralization mechanisms. Most lawyers, when they do this work, unless they really understand it at an unusual depth, in my opinion, will usually start with the debtor, sending them written questions and then deposing the debtor. And all the guy says under oath he has nothing. What can I do? Well, I like to go there after doing a lot of preparation work where I know more about the debtor than the debtor is going to tell me, so that way I can give the debtor every opportunity to lie under oath, either at a deposition or in front of a court. Proceeding in stages so that we minimize in steps the economic investment you make in recovering the money that has already been taken from you is something that I think many lawyers do not do as carefully as we try to do in working with our clients. But really, in the end, that's up to my clients to tell me that, you know. The perseverance is important. My willingness in business transactions to participate on a modified contingency fee basis or contingency fee basis in rare occasions, I've been told by judges, is highly unusual in business transactions. You can find any reputable firm who will be happy to represent you on an hourly basis for as long as you want to pay them. It's sort of like going to a psychiatrist and paying him to listen to you as long as you want to pay him to do so. Psychiatrists, aside from the professional qualifications and what they bring professionally, is in one sense of the word a paid professional listener. Lawyers will be glad to pursue every recovery they can for you on an hourly basis as long as you want to pay for it. The question is, what makes sense for you, and how do you know whether something based upon the facts that can be secured or developed are worth further investment? No team of lawyers, no investigator can produce facts that do not exist. On the other hand, there are many, many things that people have tried to hide or create a pea-shell game like a carnival barker and move things around in constant motion that can be identified and to which we can put a stop. I hope this has answered your question. If it hasn't, feel free to call me and let's talk about your particular situation.